Welcome to the first ever video on this channel. My name is Shrestha and today we are gonna be making Gajar Ka Halwa Samosa. I know, right? Sounds crazy, but guess we'll find out. So let's get started. Okay, so we need some carrots, a can of condensed milk, a bowl, some hocus pocus with the magic chopsticks, and ta-da! No, I'm just kidding. So we start off with grating the carrots. Grate till you make them look great. Get it? Great. Okay, never mind. I should stop my terrible jokes now. The reason I'm doing this super fast because I'm quite sure you know how to grate better than I do, as you can see, and I didn't want to bore you. So when all the gratings are done, you pick them up and put them on the pan. Yay! And when all the gajar has magically appeared on the pan, you just start to stir it. Make sure that all the gajar is mixed well with the gajar. And keep on stirring. And then we add the condensed milk. Yum 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 yum. Make sure to get all of it from the can. And back to the stirring business. Guys, also note that this recipe isn't copied from the internet. It's my own mummy ka gajar ka halwe ka recipe. And if you don't like this recipe, you can always ask your mom because they know the best. And then we add the cream. Guys, I'm sorry I didn't add the ghee. Please, you all don't make my mistake and don't be as forgetful as me. And please add the ghee, okay? Okay. And when it looks like this, you just add the roasted almonds. My favorite thing in this whole wide world. No, not like favorite, but my favorite. Okay, now you turn off the gas. And now it's time for some magic. Ta-da! And then you add some oil to attract America. And then just incorporate it well with the spoon evenly. Mix it, mix. And now it's time to get our hands dirty. It's the same drill, guys. Just replace the spoon with your hands. Now add some piping hot water and burn down your fingers. Ow! I told you it's the dumbest idea ever. When the water is cooled down a little bit, just use your hands to form a rough dough. Guys, this recipe doesn't call for any accurate measurements, but if you need them, I can always list them in the description box down below. You just need to knead it. Okay, now dust your surface with flour and just bring the rough dough there and form it into a smooth dough. And if you think your one hand is not enough, you can use your other hand. And if you think both of your hands are not enough, you can always use your feet. But in this case, my hands were sufficient. So here you go. Mix it well with all the flours on the surface and you're done. And now we take the rolling board and the rolling pin and just brush it with some oil. Yeah, here you have it, my oiling technique. And then you have how to make a gold roti by an excellent world-class chef. Oh my god, wow. And my knifing skills is just to die for. Oh my god, nobody could do this better. Sorry, but yeah. Now you make a pocket out of it and just fill it with the pre-made gajar ka halwa. Here you have it. Make sure you fill it with more gajar ka halwa because the more the merrier. And then you just close the pocket and form it into a samosa. Yeah, right there, hiding all the flaws, and just here you have it. And the next drill is the same. I don't know what shape is that, but just form the pocket with that. And yeah, this is how I handle my life, guys. And now it's the same drill. And just fill it up with the money, that is the gajar ka halwa, and just close the pocket. And yeah, close it well and make sure to hide your flaws. If you are a flawless person as I am, you don't need that. And here you have it, all those gajar ka halwas inside the samosa. And now it's time for cleaning up. Now we take Saudi Arabia jitna tel and drop the samosas one by one. Make sure you don't overcrowd the samosa population, otherwise you know what's gonna happen. You see it every day. Make sure they don't stick to one another and let them hang out for a little while. And when the samosas are golden brown, just remove them from their oil bath with a spider. And ta-da! You have your samosa, guys. Let's see the gold inside. Yummy! Yum! I hope you like this video, this new kind of video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Oh yeah, and also share this video with all your friends who like to eat samosa and gajar ka halwa at the same time. Okay, and I'll see you later. Bye.